Welcome to our channel. Today we're diving into a super handy feature of Sling TV, the Sling DVR. It's a lifesaver when you want to catch your favorite shows or sports games but can't be glued to the TV at the exact moment they air. Let's walk through how to use it step by step so you never miss a thing. First things first, make sure you have the Sling DVR add-on as part of your Sling TV subscription. If you don't, you'll need to add it through your Sling account settings on their website. Once you're all set with that, open up your Sling TV app on your preferred device, whether that's your smart TV, phone, tablet, or computer. Now to record a specific show, browse through the Sling TV guide to find the program you want to record. When you find it, click on its title. A screen will pop up with details about the show, including the option to record it. You'll usually see a record button or a DVR icon. Click that. A new window will appear, giving you recording options. You can choose to record just the episode you selected, or you can record the entire series. Recording the series means Sling will automatically record every new episode of that show as it airs, which is super convenient. Make your selection based on what you want. If you choose to record the series, you might also get options to set recording preferences. For example, you might be able to tell Sling to only record new episodes, or to stop recording after a certain number of episodes. Play around with these settings to tailor the recording to your liking. After you've made all your choices, confirm your recording settings. Sling will then start recording the show at its scheduled time. To watch your recorded shows, navigate to the My DVR section within the Sling TV app. This is usually found in the main menu or navigation bar. In there, you'll see a list of all your recorded programs. Simply select the show you want to watch and hit play. You can fast forward, rewind, and pause just like you would with any other on-demand content. That's all there is to it. Sling DVR makes it easy to record and watch your favorite live TV programs on your own schedule. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.